Continue for a while. Now, as I mentioned, portions of the west side of town, very pleasant afternoon out there. The winds aren't too strong, but if you look across the area, the winds are picking up from El Paso eastbound. You can see all the colors here, the reds. That's indicative of some of the stronger winds. 39 in Deming. We have 39 up at the area lakes. And again, Las Cruces, you're hovering right around 40 miles an hour with the peak wind gust. Now, if you look at our wind gust tracker and you watch here the winds, we're going to continue to see those winds being quite gusty into tonight. Here's 8 o'clock, and you can see the strong winds that are developing. The winds are from a south and westerly direction. They're going to turn more towards the northwest and west as the front drives through here. Now, the winds are going to be with us tomorrow. The issue we've been talking about over the last several days is that's going to be colder day tomorrow. So the winds, even though not quite as strong as what we're going to see tonight, they'll certainly have a bite. So certainly some of you may need the jackets throughout the day tomorrow, some heavier than others, but we'll certainly be in that breezy category throughout the day. The winds start to come down tomorrow night, and the weekend is looking very nice. The winds aren't going to be much of a concern at all, and we're going to see some fairly decent temperatures. So the winds tomorrow, northwesterly at 30, then 15 once we head into Saturday and Sunday. What we're going to be watching for next week, mid portions of next week, the winds will start to pick up again as this next system starts to move through the area. So here's a look at your planner tonight. If you're going to be out and about, the winds will be up. Temperatures are going to be fairly mild, so no wind chills in here for at least the early portion of the nighttime hours. If you look at our latest future track computer model, we track some clouds, certainly, and the colder air is going to be in place. So early tomorrow morning, have some of the jackets handy. You're going to need them throughout the day, and you're going to be heading to the Friday night football games tomorrow night, kickoff at 7 o'clock. You'll want the jackets or some of the blankets hanging around. As I mentioned, the weekend, we'll have lots of sunshine, both Saturday and Sunday. Don't forget about the time change. Before you go to bed Saturday night, move the clock back 1 hour, and sunset time on Sunday will be at 12 minutes after 5 o'clock. All right, let's talk about your forecast now. 58 tomorrow, windy day, kind of low-end windy, not as strong as what we're seeing out there now and then into tonight. 65 on Saturday. 73 on Sunday, but look at the lots of sunshine over the weekend, and then temperatures next week in the upper 70s. We'll watch our next system that'll kick up the winds Wednesday and Thursday and drop the temperatures just a bit, Mark.
All right, thanks, Doppler.